Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato soup without heavy cream. You can create a wonderfully rich and creamy potato soup using just a few simple ingredients and techniques. We will explore how a classic roux, made from 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, forms the perfect base. Additionally, blending about 1/3 of the cooked potatoes directly into the soup will naturally enhance its velvety texture, ensuring a satisfying bowl every time. To begin, you will need about 4 medium russet potatoes, 1 large onion, and 2 stalks of celery. Start by dicing your onion and celery, then sauté them in 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat until they become translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, peel and dice your potatoes into uniform half-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly and become perfectly tender for blending. Once your aromatics are softened, pour in 4 cups of your preferred broth, either vegetable or chicken. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potato cubes are easily pierced with a fork. For that desired creamy texture, use an immersion blender to puree about 1/3 of the soup directly in the pot, or carefully transfer a portion to a regular blender. Finally, taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it is just right. For an extra touch, consider garnishing each bowl with a sprinkle of fresh chives, a dash of paprika, or some crispy, crumbled bacon bits. This delicious, creamy potato soup is now ready to be served warm, offering a comforting and satisfying meal without any heavy cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.